I'm starting to make my St. Brigid's cross now. Get one reed and you overlap another one over it, and you continue around, right round, a reed over the last one you've used, and you continue on right round until you can make it whatever size you want. It is a tradition here in Ireland on the eve of St. Brigid to make crosses out of reeds. We leave these crosses on the windowsill at night. They are supposed to be protection against fire, and a lot of fishermen leave their boots out at night and they put the cross into the boots. It protects them at sea. A piece of cloth is also left out, which is called Brigid, which means Brigid's rag. Brigid blesses the rag when she's passing by, and you can keep the rag in the house, and it's supposed to be a cure for headaches or sore throats.